Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad 9th generation, and let me show you how to activate AirDrop. At first open the settings, then find and select General, go to AirDrop, and as you can see now we've got receiving off, so it's turned off. Now you can apply either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. Just pick the option that you like, and you can either turn AirDrop on for everyone, but just for 10 minutes, and then it will be automatically turned off. Or you can add contacts only, and then it will be your device will be accessible via AirDrop for your contacts all the time. You can also do it pretty quickly from your central control center. So you just slide it down, and here you've got the AirDrop here. Just tap and hold. And now you can manage it here, so you can either activate contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes, then you can also switch it out the same way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.